So, here is Kaya.
Hi.
Kate is not here because Kate is plastic. Okay, so I'm here now eating 5 stars. So, okay, I'm gonna taste it for you. Yes. It's crunchy because it has. Ay, wag na baso. So, it's crunchy because it has a Rice Krispies, and it's very chewy a little because it has a caramel. Okay. And the chocolate. It's my first time eating a 5-star Cadbury. And it doesn't look like interesting to me, but it doesn't taste like chocolate Cadbury. It tastes like baby milk, right?
Oh, it's some more. So we have Anna Oreo, mini Oreo, Cheetos.
This Cheetos is from Lay's.
And we have again this.
And my favorite, Quaker Oats. Okay, so my camera will be here. So I'm very dark when, okay, it's like that one. Okay. Okay, it's very messy here. So, we're gonna eat this. The oats when it's cold. So I like oats, but there's like cinnamon rolls. Like, okay, let's open this one. Okay, let's eat this one. I'm obviously excited. You know, oats is good. Well, I'm so sorry. The camera fell. It's not a real review, so just gonna eat that. I like the packaging too. So let's vote. Packaging 10.
Packaging 8.
Why?
I don't. Where was I?
Now the taste. The taste is oatmeal delicious, and the score is 10.
10.
Ano ba?
is oat milk. Oat milk, mini oats cookies.
Okay. And next one.
Wine.
Kids can eat drink wine because and now the Cheetos and made from corn. Sorry, this is not the original Cheetos. It's from Frito-Lay. Okay, so that's very interesting. Okay, let's open it. Where's Kaya?
Delicious.
I like that crunchiness. See this crunch? Tastes like popcorn or something. Yes, tastes like popcorn. Like pastry. Okay guys, so I'm back. Ako na ina. Bakain kita. Okay? Okay? Next is the what's it?
Mini Oreo.
Oh my god, I love this now. It's crunchy. And if you crunch it, tastes like corn. Oh. I like the corn. Feeling like cornelicious. Da. Like that. Nah. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Give me a big thumbs up. Bye!